Saving history, one beep at a time. What is happening, friends and fellow treasure hunters? Josh here, CT Relic Digger, with Destination Gold Detectors. All right, guys, hot off the press, straight from Hannah from Destination Gold Detectors, the Nokta Pointer by Nokta Detection Technologies. A must-have in your treasure hunting arsenal. This thing is amazing, super easy to use, tough as nails, waterproof, I love it. All right, let's check out the features. Excellent packaging. Very impressed. This pointer comes with two different style protective tips, a user guide, neoprene belt holster, and a battery. Good job, Nokta. That's a thumbs up. Takes a 9-volt battery. It's got notches to line up with the grooves. Really nice solid grommet. And you can't really put the battery in the wrong way as it's marked positive and negative. So pretty foolproof. And then once it's seated, you just screw on the retainer cap and you're good to go. Very nice and snug. It feels tight. Quality for sure. Smooth tip and a blade tip for your scraping pleasure. Really cool. Easy on and off. The protective tips just lock right into those little grooves. As you can see, nice neoprene holster. Belt clip and belt loop. Very nice. Lightweight, double stitched. Good job. This has an IP rating of 67, dustproof. So you can bring it down 1 meter, about 3 feet. And we just may test that theory. Really easy to use. To turn it on, just press the green button. It's good to go. Long press on green. To turn it off, you'll hear 6 quick tones to confirm that it's shutting down. Power off. And to change the modes from audio to vibrate and or both, it's just a 3-second hold on the gray button. Vibration. Audio and vibration. Just audio. Vibration. And both. Super simple. This has 10 levels of sensitivity. Green button increases with the plus, and the gray button decreases with the minus. 2, 3. When you reach the max, you get a long tone audible to let you know. Super sensitive. Same when you hit the bottom of the sensitivity, it gives you an audible tone to let you know that you're at the least amount of sensitivity. Pretty cool, pretty easy, up and down. It's got a lost alarm feature and auto shut off. So it'll start beeping and letting you know that it's lost and turn itself off after 5 minutes. It's a 360-degree detection tip. So, I mean, it'll pick up a small or multi-targets in a plug, no problem. It does have an LED flashlight that you can turn off and on manually. Really easy, check it out. It's just a simultaneous gray and green at the same time. Off, on. Love the design, keep it simple. Also has low battery indicator, which is good to know. You know, it'll let you know about 5 minutes before you got to change your battery. Always bring an extra. Another really good feature, it's got coil interface blocking, so when it's turned off, it disconnects the coil's magnetic transmission and eliminates interference to your metal detector or any other metal detector. And it also prevents your pinpointer from becoming a target. I think we've all been there once. This amazing little device runs at 18.2 kilohertz frequency. Perfect for small multi-targets in a plug hole, super sensitive. I absolutely love the design. I think the only thing I would change would be a hole or a dirt release in the bottom of the sheath. Besides that, 5 stars, 2 thumbs up from CT Relic Digger. So I went ahead and tested the IP67 water rating, and I have had this pointer submerged in 50 gallons of water. This is the rain barrel test. 3 feet, 1 meter easy for at least 15 minutes. I left it on. She's just floating around. And off. On, no problem. Good job, Nokta. Amazing little pinpointer. And as soon as the ground thaws here in New England, we're going to put this bad boy through the CT Relic Digger field test. This one's nice and shiny new, so we're actually giving away this one to one lucky subscriber on my YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. CT Relic Digger on YouTube. All right, folks, and there it is. A quick look at the Nokta Pointer by Nokta Detection Technologies. For any of your metal detecting needs or prospecting equipment needs, check out Destination Gold Detectors website. They have amazing prices and second-to-none customer service. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And remember, be kind to one another. CT Relic Digger and Destination Gold Detectors.